We want to thank you for choosing Dexter and would like to show you all the great things that Dexter Index has to offer. We'll be starting by looking at the homepage and the various trailer parts for every type. Here you can see popular trailer types, and then by clicking through, you can see the related products that would apply to all of those types of trailers. Next, you can see a subset of our brands, quality you can count on with genuine Dexter. Trailer Parts Pro, a popular aftermarket product. Sonoran tires, and then Fastway trailer products, popular for towing and weight distribution. Here you can see the access to Find a Dealer. Find a Dealer is used for those retailers out there who need to find parts near them. This is where you would type in your zip code and find a Dexter dealer near you, which would be products sold into the dealers in your area. Become a Customer is where any trailer business, repair shop, trailer builders, and more can sign up to become a customer with Dexter Distribution to receive tailored pricing, shipping services, access to custom axle builds, and more. This area is to promote different things throughout the year, whether special programs celebrating the USA's 250th birthday or products unique to Dexter. This area will change throughout different months and seasons. A special call out to Dexter's branded axle components and hub kits, and a call out to Dexter branded brakes, which can lead you to all the Dexter branded brakes in various sizes and capacities. When you access and visit the Dexter Index homepage, you'll see these, modified based on seasonal promotions or any other type of marketing that might be useful to the customer or to you. This next area will show for all of your trailer needs. Various categories to lead you into popular trailer categories. This is another view of benefits of having a Dexter account. Click the link to begin your request for an account. Next is the shopping by trailer type. This is going to be popular products that are useful for these various types of trailers and products which are commonly seen on the road. Next, you'll find a footer and access to all of the categories, resources, and tools within Dexter. Now, scroll back to the top and we'll show you the Shop All categories. You can shop and find all categories within each section you see. If you also enjoy using the paper catalog, this category breakdown will mimic the Dexter Trailer Parts catalog. You can see all of the Dexter brakes here. Across the top are our most popular categories of products, starting with axles, hubs and drums, tires and wheels, brakes, axle components, hydraulics, jacks, and towing. This does not include all of the various categories that we offer, which could be any product to help you build or repair a trailer. The next thing I'd like to show you is the welcome site that will be linked to the bottom of the page. It will give you an in-depth, step-by-step experience of what Dexter Index has to offer, both basic tools and features. Getting started will walk you through the various ways to gain access to Dexter, whether it's requesting an account or activating My Access to Dexter Index, and then going through the various tools that will help you do business on Dexter Index, whether it's placing an order, tracking your items, paying your invoice, and managing your account. At the top, you can also navigate to Place Order, which will walk you through all of the steps and pro tips to find your parts, check your availability and pricing, adding to cart, and checking out. Next would be Tracking Items. Tracking items allows you to see your order history, order detail, and open items or back orders. This allows you to manage your account, review your incoming orders, and see when your back orders are intended to ship. You can read through this, how to use each area in pro tips. Next is Pay Invoice. Pay Invoice allows you to view invoices online, view invoice details, and make payments. Payments can be made through Dexter Index on active accounts with ACH or credit card in the US. This will walk you through each of the various invoice details, invoice information, and payment steps. The other tools available are Popular Parts, Safe Carts, Order Pad, My Axles, and Marketing Resources. You can click here to learn more about the popular parts based on what business describes you. Safecards, a popular tool used for recurrent orders, custom repairs, or bill of materials for certain customer types. Order Pad, a quick order tool that allows you to take all the items you know by part number and add them to your cart. My Axles, our custom made-to-order axle tool on Dexter Index, which allows you to configure the axle that you need. And Marketing Resources, where you can see all the catalogs, flyers, instruction sheets, and various manuals and videos available about Dexter branded products. This closes out our time together reviewing Dexter Index. Thank you for choosing Dexter, and we can't wait to do business with you.